Have you ever searched something on Google and couldn't find the exact answer you need? In this video, I will show you how to search on Google the right way, find better results faster, and save a lots of time online. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Google. First, open your browser. Maybe you have different browser like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or another browser. Right now I have Google Chrome. First we are going to open it and then simply type google.com and you will see this page. Okay, and here you can search anything in this center search box. Okay, so here you will type and you will get the answer from google.com. So first thing first, here I'm going to share with you what things you can do over here. So here we are going to type best pizza restaurant near me. After typing your search and press enter, and then you will get relevant results over here. So what things you getting in this result? First you get places information like map information. After that you will get website detail over here, and also you will get people ask question over here. Okay, and after that you will see this video information over here. Okay, by this way you can get all the information in a single page. Here I'm going to share with you another way to search something else. Okay, so here we are going to search best laptops under $500, and then here you will see I have website list, I have video list, and also I have different companies and e-commerce website list over here. Okay, so by this way you can easily search the query and you will get the information. Right now friend, you will see that here we are typing for laptops. That's why I'm getting lots of information over here. Like these are the different screen size. Also you will get the RAM sizes, and also you can see over here the screen type. Right now you will see over here the shopping option. When you click over here you will get the different laptops under different rates. Okay, here you will also get the categorized things like RAM, screen, gaming PC or laptop. You can see over here. And by the way, you can also categorize your query like we want touch screen, so this will showing like that. Okay, different things and filters are available for shopping. Here we are going to back over here, and here you will also see the image section. When you click over here, then you will see different images are available of the laptop. Here you will see the short video about the laptop under $500. So you will see all the things in a short video format. Also you will click on these videos and you will get different YouTube videos and other platform videos are available. So here you can directly view that video and get the proper information. Here you can see the news. If you click on that, you will get the latest article about the laptops under $500. Okay, here you will see the different big websites are reviewing the laptops under $500. Okay, you will get the information about that. Here I'm going to give you the searching methods how you can easily search exact query. Okay, whenever you want exact query, for example, here I'm typing best laptops under $500, but in heading you can see best cheap laptops under $500, but we want exactly same word into the search query. Okay, here we are going to click on all, and here we are going to add double quote over here and then press enter. Okay, so friend, here you will see exactly the same word into the title. Okay, so here the query, and here the same same title is showing in the title. Okay, so by this way you can search exactly word and phrase you can search over here. Okay, so friend, this is the tutorial which I want to share with you guys, how you can search on Google and how you will get a proper and perfect answer from the Google. Okay, so friend, if you like this video and if this video will help you, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And friend, if you're coming first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because we uploading this type of tutorials every day. So friend, you will learn something new. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.